In this video, we will learn how to use data entry form in Excel sheet. So let's start this in Excel sheet. I have here some heading, first name, last name, start name and project amount. So I am doing here the data entry with this heading. So I enter here the first name is Naina, give, git, then enter here the start date of Naina. Okay, then project amount. Then I add here the form to first go to the quick access toolbar. Here you see the arrow, just click on it, click on the more commands, choose here the all commands and drag and select the form. Here you in F category you get the form, just select it and click on the add button and click on OK. Here you see the form is added. So now select the second cell of this data, then click on this form, click on the new record and enter your second entry. So I enter here my second entry, then enter here the project amount is my, then enter again the new record. Here you see the entry is added automatically. This is a way you can use this form to data entry doing fastly. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.